The purpose of this training is to increase the knowledge of bioinformatics for molecular biologists, because today there is a gap between bioinformatics and molecular biologists, and I think it's very important to fill this gap for improving communication between these two different figures. And for improving the communication, probably also the science that they can produce will be better. Thermo Fisher, thanks to this training, want to change the idea that Thermo Fisher is only offering the sequencer, is only offering the microscope, but we are also offering high-level services and training, because we are able to do that. We are able to help scientists from all the points of view.
So the training is really insightful, very easy to understand, very easy to put it into practice as well. The highlight of the training so far is that our trainer is extremely easy to work with. So he explains the bioinformatic concepts in a very simple manner, because we always get intimidated when it comes to bioinformatics and programming in different languages. So he makes understanding these new languages very simple.
The highlight of the course is now I know how to use how to run the commands on Linux and Ubuntu. Otherwise, it was a kind of alien thing for me initially, because I'm a microbiologist. So only the wet lab work I was doing. So now I know how to make a script or how to run a command on for bioinformatics.
I'm learning a lot. I think because now I'm like we're learning from the beginning, the basic of the coding and what each code means and all that. So that for me is very important. And then now we're going to programming, and now we're gonna be able to write our own scripts. That is very exciting for me, because I want to be able to analyze my own data and play around with it and the visualization of it as well.
Diplomics is helping to put together the people for this training, and for us this is a big advantage and a big added value, because we can organize training not only for a single lab but for multiple labs, and this is very good for us and also for the customer.